Got an aluminum top by ARE. It's a high-rise unit. It's long bed Chevy, 88 to 98 body style. It also fit the 99 to 06 body, 8-foot bed. It's about 6 inches taller than cab high. Has no windows in it. It's kind of a basic unit. Decent shape. Does have some dents and stuff down the side, but nothing real major. Kind of see the dents down the side of this. Still a good looking unit. The top looks good. Don't see any damage on the top. Front has a picture window in it. A couple small dings up there on the top. This side, pretty decent shape. Not a lot of major damage on that. Little scuff mark there. Looks like something was laid across that. This side's got a couple of dings in it, but you really don't really see much going on this side. Kind of see them right there on the back side. Down through here, looks really good. It's a good looking unit. It has no windows. Great for hauling stuff that you don't want people to know what's going on. More height, headroom clearance. See the inside. Picture window inside. It's had a hole. Looks like they've had a hole in it right there, but they've patched it. It's got like tar. It's got a patch behind the hole so it doesn't appear that it leaks. So there it is, a high-rise aluminum top. Fits the 88 to 98 body style Chevy. The 8-foot bed will also work on the 99 to 06, and probably the newer ones than that if you're not real picky on how they fit. Aluminum's a little more forgiving than the fiberglass units are. So this would more than likely work into the 07 to 13 body as well. But there it is. Thanks for watching.